Hello everyone, welcome to ollzo. Today we are back with another new video. No matter what CMS you are using, what platform you are using, for every website, font is a big matter. For the font, your website can look a beautiful website or your website can be a garbage website. Now, if you are a WordPress user, then I have a good news for you. Today I am going to talk about this plugin Use Any Font Custom Font Uploader. By the name you can understand that this plugin is going to help you to upload any kind of custom font in your website. We are going to talk about details about this plugin after the intro. Use Any Font or Custom Font Uploader is a plugin made by Dinesh Karki, and we are going to know about this website later. But before that, let's see what are the information we have about this plugin in WordPress directory. First of all, this plugin has 200,000 active installation. So 200,000 website is powering by this plugin Use Any Font. They demand on their description that they have support on DV Builder, Astra Theme, GenExpress, Oxygen Builder, Themify Builder, and so on. I mean, all the popular themes and builder they are supporting. So no matter what are the plugin you are using in WordPress platform, you don't need to worry while using this plugin. Alright, so let's see the ratings. They have 5-star ratings, 940. It's a huge rating. Yes, they have some 4-star, 3-star, even 1-star rating, but as you know, no one can satisfy everyone, so we can ignore this little ratings from their plugin. Now let's move on their website. This is the landing page of Use Any Font. So this landing page is containing all the necessary information and it looks good to us. We are going to discuss about this pricing later, but before that, let's see what are the information we have in their website. So they are basically a WordPress plugin development company, and they have so far 9 plugin they developed. They have over 250,000 active installation, 4.5 rating, and they solve a lot of tickets that they demand. What are the plugin they have? They have Use Any Font that we are talking about in this video. They also have WP Armor Anti-Spam. They have jQuery validation for contact form 7, jQuery validation for Gravity form, any mobile theme switcher. These are the plugin they have. Now let's look on their resource they are providing. This is their blog site. Honestly speaking, I'm not satisfied with their blogging style. Let's see their YouTube channel. This is their YouTube channel. They are providing some videos, but as you've seen, they are not regular in the video section as well. So if I talk about the resource, then they are not providing quality enough resource. Let's see more insightful information from the WP Hive. Here we are in WP Hive checklist. All are the green mark as you've seen in the screen. Now the other information, they have total 4 million downloads, among them 200,000 active installation, 9 years on the WordPress directory they are. So this plugin is quite old plugin. Growth rate is 0.1%, not impressive growth rate, but it's natural that the plugin is 9 years old, so they should have some growth rate. Alright, support thread 14 and ratings 122. 12k total downloads in last week, and 21 days ago they update this plugin for the last time. So these are the information, insightful information from the WP Hive we are getting. Now let's move on their pricing page. Alright, so the pricing, if I talk about the pricing, they have for the personal 9.99 USD, and for the business 29.99, and for the corporate they have 49.99 USD they are charging. According to my opinion, I think this is a natural pricing. You can, if you are a freelancer, if you are a developer, if you are agency, whatever the person you are, if you use WordPress platform, then you can take this plugin, you can purchase this plugin. I recommend this plugin based on their pricing. So if you want to increase the look of your website, if you want to increase the readability, then definitely you can use any font. You can use this plugin Use Any Font Custom Font Uploader. Now the last question, last information I would like to give you in this video, that what are the beautiful font you can use in your website. So if you want to know that what are the beautiful font you can use in your website, comment below so that we can make another video. That's all about today's video. If you have any question about WordPress, don't forget to comment below. Thank you.